Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford F-150. It's gorgeous, it's lifted, and it's right here behind me. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. We're going to take a look at the lift here. Just kind of show you underneath. Very clean under there. A look down the passenger side right away. You have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side. You do have the FX4 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the Ford bedliner. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.